Add 1 cup of whole green grams into the pan, which I have soaked into the water for 4 to 5 hours. Add in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. Add salt as per taste. Add in half tablespoon ginger garlic chili paste. Add only that much of water so that the mung beans melt properly. It will take around 10 minutes to done. When it's done, keep aside to cool down. Meanwhile, do some other preparations. In 2 boiled mashed potatoes, add green chilies as per your taste. Add in coriander leaves and salt and combine all this thing well. Now stuff this moong or green gram into this potato. Make a patty of it. When you make all this patty, dab them lightly in a breadcrumb. And when we will fry this, we will dip this into the egg and fry. But you could fry this without egg as well. Heats up some oil in the frying pan. Once the oil heats up, shallow fry this on a medium to high flame. When the patties are frying, meanwhile you could do some other things like add sugar in the curd and blend it. When it's fried nicely, take out, and before serving, I am adding some tamarind sweet chutney. Add coriander leaves, pour some beaten curd, sprinkle some powdered masala like coriander and cumin powder, chaat masala powder, red chili powder, and salt. I have mixed all this thing in this container and using it. Do try this recipe in this upcoming month of Ramdhan 2024 and remember me in your prayers. Thank you for watching.